In the last video, you saw how to disable root login and also how to disable password authentication. In this video, let's see how to change the time zone for your server. To change that, you'll just need this, and you can change this last ones. Maybe you're in Europe, London, you can change this to Europe and then that to London. Maybe you're in Africa, you can change that Africa, Nairobi, or Africa, wherever you are, whether it's in Lagos, you can change it to wherever. So in this video, let's see how to do that. And first of all, let's log into our server. So let me check the current date that has been set for this. And the date it's saying it's that. So let's say I change it to, let me copy this and I put this in, I put this here so that I can change that. So just change this to the continent. Change this to the continent where you are, plus a city that is in your country. And I'll come back to my server. I will paste that in there. And if I check the new date, you can see it has changed. If you want to change it to something else, maybe you're in London, you can change that to Europe. London. And you copy that, bring it, and then confirm the date. Okay, the issue is I have not left any space here. All right, so let us do this again. And I will paste, enter, and when I do date, you can see the location has been changed. So let's say maybe you're in Australia. I hope that is a spelling for Canberra. Let's copy and enter. Check the time, and you'll see it will change based on what you put here. So just do this and you're going to change your server to your local time. So that's it for this section about Windows. So everything else that we're going to do will be in tandem with any platform. So we've seen how you can set up your server. If you're on Windows, you've used Party and Partigen to set up your SSH. The next part, after I'm done with the Linux section, will be about installing Cyberpanel. And once we install Cyberpanel, you will see how to set up your website. You'll see how to add a website and how to change DNS settings on Cloudflare, because I do intend to use Cloudflare for all the DNS settings, because I don't want to deal with child name servers. You can also use child name servers to use your own website as your own domain, as your own DNS, your own name servers, right? Like if my website is bizanosa.com, I could use ns1.bizanosa.com as my name servers, but I don't want to do that. I just want to use Cloudflare, and I'm going to show you how to do that. But if you're interested in the other one, that's something you can do as well. So that's it for this part for the Windows guys. So I don't think I need this server for anything. So I'm going to destroy the server. If I come here, I can destroy this server. Just click on server destroy, confirm that you want to destroy the server, and then destroy the server, and it will be gone. So that's all I wanted to do in this part for anyone using Windows. I will see you next time in the next video. See you then.